Nothing is ready.
Then let me know when we can start. Okay.
We can start now.
Start பண்ணலாமா? Okay, very good. Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. All of you can unmute and say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
எல்லாரும்
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
40
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Who girls voice are here? Blessing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. Being an engineer, let us first understand why this coding is required for us. Any branch for that matter. Okay, now we are going to make use of computers. Any branch for that matter. Let me be a mechanical engineer, civil engineer, biotech, or EEE, whatever be the stream of engineering, we are going to make use of computers. Okay, doing all the tasks manually was done. Okay, it was there in existence, but no more the scenario continues. Right here, everything is going to be automated. We are going to work with automated work environment. In this scenario, you will have to work with computers, you will have to work with tools, you will have to do some sort of coding, not to the big scale like developing a new software. But the basic coding skill is required for every engineering student. Okay, so please try to understand that as an engineer, it will definitely improve your job scope if you have the skill, the coding skill. Okay, that is why the management is taking initiative to put you on board to learn these things. I am not asking you to do coding in a day. I am not asking you to just climb the Everest in a single day. Climbing Everest is a big task. Right, but you have to take some small steps every day. Okay, at least 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour every day you have to spend for coding. This will definitely improve your coding skill. This will definitely improve your job scope. Okay, now suppose if you want to work in only the shop floor in the manufacturing industry, this skill may not be required. But when you want to enter into the executive portal, executive platform, okay, there you definitely need this coding, this analytical skills. You have to decide where you want to see yourself. Whether you want to be there in the shop floor or you want to see yourself in the executive cabins. It is you to decide. Okay, so according to that, you have to make yourself fit. You have to identify where and all you have to need to improve, and identify where and all you need support. Right? Accordingly, you just let us know. We are here to support you. We are here to help you. 2 faculty are dedicatedly given for you people. Only for 70 students, 2 faculty are given. For the remaining departments and all, 70 students for 70 students, 1 faculty is handling. Especially for mechanical, EEE, biotech and civil, 2 faculty are allocated. Apart from this, we people are here to support you. But it is you to make the move. Okay, if you stay there, nobody can push you. We can take you to the pond, but it is you to drink the water. Right? Please try to understand why this is required. Maybe you can say that I am not interested in coding, that is why I have chosen mechanical engineering, that is why I have taken EEE, that is why I have taken civil or like that, okay? But engineers are now bound to work on computers. Otherwise, I'm a civil engineer, can you be there in the hot sun forever? Okay, you'll have to do designing, you'll have to do analysis, you'll have to prepare the budget, you'll have to prepare a lot of designs, lot of analysis need to be done. Okay, so there you need the computer skills. If you do all these things manually, that will take weeks together, months together. But if you do it with the help of computers, we can do it in just 30 minutes time, 40 minutes time. That is what is expected in the industry. Right? Try to understand the scenario. According to the scenario, you have to scale up. The platform is provided to you. The ground is given to you. Now it is you to make the move. Okay, try to understand what is required, what is actually the current situation happening around, what kind of job opportunities are available to you. About these jobs to make yourself fit. Okay, what are the skills you need to acquire, and accordingly you plan yourself. Okay, ஒரே நாள்ல திடீர்னு இன்னைக்கு வந்து 50 programs பண்ணுங்க 100 programs பண்ணுங்க, we are not forcing you. But some gradual learning, gradual skill building should happen. அதுக்கு plan பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Evening from 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, you work for this coding. Learn slowly, not necessary to run, not necessary to compare yourself with CSE students or ECE students, not necessary to compare with other students studying in other colleges, not necessary. But see yourself, compare yourself, where you are standing now and where you want to see yourself tomorrow, where you want to see yourself by the end of next week. Suppose now we have completed 2 programs, by next week you should have completed 20 programs. By the end of this month, at least 100 programs. Every day you set a target for you. You know your capacity, you know how you can do, and accordingly you can plan. Inge nama vanda actually we have very good resource person, our alumnus, proud alumnus of Department of Mechanical Engineering, has joined us now, and he is a live example for you all. Okay, he is the person with full commitment and dedication and a positive attitude. He is actually all-rounder. I would say he is an all-rounder. Okay, he has been supporting us in conducting this aptitude examination in the previous 3 years time. I think he has joined the team in the 2nd year. Gopinath sir is the person who correctly identifies the potential, and he brings out the talent within the students, and that is how Gangadharan has joined this team. And being a mechanical student, he learned a lot of things on his own. Okay, he learned a lot of things like how to develop a software, what is the front end, what is the back end, how to work with the back end, and how to deploy the software, deploy the server in the cloud. All these things he has learned on his own, and these skills actually helped him to get through in TCS as well as in Infosys. Infosys, he has received an offer. He is yet to join. Okay, plus he has started his own company also. Even during this lockdown, he is earning. In this lockdown period, actually, we have conducted around 70 aptitude tests for the current final year students. Every student, those who are getting placed today, definitely there is a contribution from this team headed by Gangadharan. He is actually a person which I can mention, that a person known for his leadership. Okay, he builds a team. He forms a team always. In his absence also, no work will get affected. He trained a lot of his juniors, 2nd year students, 3rd year students. He has trained a lot of students. Even during his absence, these students were able to take it forward. We have conducted successfully around 73, 74 mock tests, aptitude tests have been conducted for the current final year students during this lockdown period. Till 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, in the midnight, in the night, 9 o'clock, we used to have the meetings. In a single day, we used to have 3 meetings, 4 meetings like that. Meeting for setting up the server, meeting for collecting the questions, meeting for having mock test. And the mock test also, he will have the mock test conducted at least for the full 1 hour. Now, if it shows 60 minutes, I will feel happy, I will close this and come out. But Gangadharan, no, he will make the server to run for 60 minutes. He will see what are the various glitches that is expected. That is a kind of commitment that we could see from Gangadharan. Gangadharan, I bless you to reach greater heights in life. You have been supporting this training team at Pratyusha quite in an extensive way. I am really proud of you, and I welcome you to address the students. Before that, I invite Gopinath sir to say a few words about Gangadharan. So over to you, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Gangadharan. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Bhalachandra sir. Actually, we could see that only mechanical, electrical, and biotech and civil students are here. And the purpose of calling this particular meeting session is basically we want to create an awareness for you. Basically, since we all of you know that since I am from biotech or I am from mechanical, why should I learn a programming language? Why should I know about C or C++ or database management or something like that? Man was telling, even the scenario, even in shop floor, is totally changing nowadays. It is becoming totally autonomous. Okay, automatic. They're not there. The old-fashioned, old type of conventional things is not going to work unless until you don't have any programming skill. Even if you want to work in shop floor, that is what's totally changing today. That's why even mechanical, they should know that, sir, if you want to be an engineer, a complete engineer, who is able to give a solution you should be an expert in programming skill. I can say one thing, whatever subjects you people are learning, whether you are from mechanical or civil or electrical or any other branches, biotech also, when you compare your subject, your core subject with programming subjects, it is like your subjects are very difficult where you are able to do better. But unfortunately, you do have your own, I can say that allergy for programming. I don't know why. Even it is used to be there even earlier also. Mechanical means I should know only this. I should not learn that. But you see, the people who are very successful in IT industry. For example, you take a Sundar Pichai. He is not from He is not from IT. He is a metallurgy engineer. Basically, it is from mechanical. He has reached that top level in a global scenario as a head of Google. Means you just imagine if you that is what I'm telling. If any other people for mechanical or electrical, for example, you take civil, I can tell you Nadell, that Microsoft CEO, he's an architect. He's from Manipal Institute of Technology. He has done BR. He's basically civil. Or you take anybody, there are certain people who are in height. Even today, I was going through one particular video of Rajendra Dandavani. He is the heading the Zoho University Learning and Development Center. He is not a mechanic. He is not an IT person. He is an electrical engineer. But he is in the topmost level in one of the leading company in our country. That's why you feel that you people, if you start slightly spend at least 2 to 3% of your energy for this, learning this, definitely you are going to be very successful in your career. That I can see, because the best example is my friend Gangadharan, because we were working for more than 2 years. We are sitting together. We had even, I learned a lot of things from him, rather I can say, because just I'll tell, I want this. That is what, whenever we want to run a test, within 10 minutes, I want to run the test, I used to tell him. Sometimes he used to see my face, just like what this guy is mad or something. But still, there is no other way. We need to do it. He has done it. My ma'am was telling one sometime loading the question paper at night 12 o'clock. We used to make people to work till 12 o'clock. If there is any correction, we used to tell them by 12:30 or 1 in the midnight. They will do it. Now I can appreciate there are certain third-year students like Arvind, Nanda Kumar, Mohandas. There are certain group of people still from. I can really proud to say that our online test in our whole college, it was run by mechanical students. That is only because of what? The passion for running. If you had having a passion, you can easily learn anything at all, anything. That is why I can say that Gangadharan, it was a self-learning. Really, whatever he has done so far, it is a self-learning. Similarly, what if we, of course, now we are giving you some support to learn. In addition to your self-learning, if the support is that, definitely you can be very successful. I feel that you can compete. Even ma'am, I can give a challenge to CSC IT students. These non-IT students can give a challenge to those guys in the future also. But that they need to take it as a challenge. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody should tell. That is what we need to give a challenge to them. Okay, now I ask my friend Mr. Gangadharan to address this session.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. HOD sir also joined.
You please ask him to address the students that which has joined.
Hello, sir. HOD sir. Hello. HOD sir. Okay. Sir, can you hear me, sir? HOD sir. Hello, HOD sir.
எந்த இதுல இருக்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்காரு பேரு
மியூட்ல இருக்கு
ஜெயராமன் பொன்னம்பலம் அந்த ஐடியில ஜாயின் பண்ணி
அன்மியூட் நீங்க நம்ம பண்ண முடியுமா? நீங்க பண்ண முடியுமா அன்மியூட்?
இல்ல நான் பண்ண முடியாது சார்.
அவர் அன்மியூட்டா இருக்குது பாருங்க, மியூட்ல இருக்கு. சாரி.
ஆமா. சரி, ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண சொல்லிடலாமா சார்?
சரி, பண்ணிட்டு அவர் எண்ட்ல கொஞ்சம் வீல் ஆஸ்க் ஹிம்.
ஓகே சார்.
அது ஒரு மெசேஜ் மட்டும் அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுருங்க. ஓகே.
மெசேஜ்.
Gangadharan?
Yes, sir.
Can you please take up the podium?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible now?
Yeah.
So first of all, thank you, Chitra ma'am and Gopinath sir. I wasn't expecting this much appreciation today. And respected Chitra ma'am, Gopinath sir, our HOD, Mr. Jayaraman, and Vallabhi ma'am, Thirumale sir, and Balachandra sir. So, and also my friends, I have some friends in this batch also. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
So-
Gangadhar.
So first of all, about myself, I'm just a passed out student from the 2020 batch, and as ma'am said before, I have an offer in Infosys as a system engineer training, and I'm yet to join in the corporate right now. So meanwhile, during the 6 month, we also did a startup under the name of Consilio Tech, and under this name, we were doing some freelancing works. Like I am currently pursuing in the web development career. So I have worked with a couple of clients and have 2 more clients to work with. And other than the web development, we were also training students for the CAD softwares, and some of the mechanical students also participated into that. And we also carrying over technical works from other clients. From one of my friend who is a part of Consilio is working with a Oman client for writing some Python script which involves data science and data mining projects and all. So this we have been doing for the past 6 months, and we are hoping to improve it in the upcoming days. So what we are going to learn today, a new thing, why programming, something which we never try to understand why we are learning all this programming. Even some of you don't know why you are studying this particular subjects and all. So we'll be going through a lot of informations, a very brief information only, and it can further guide you into how to pursue your career also, not only the field of programming, but also in your own career, own departments also. If you're electrical, what are the next things that are happening in the field right now? So for this particular day, I contacted a lot of industrialist people and also some of my friends to frame this presentation. So all the things that are going to convey today are the real things that are happening in the current scenarios. So that's all going to be happening in the future also. There have been further changes in this particular 1 year itself due to the pandemic. Everything has changed to a considerable level of recognition. Say, for example, the teaching sector also is changing to online teaching sectors. So the current teaching methods are not enough in the online platforms. So people are working hard to improve the platforms like Google Meet. Every day, new kind of technologies are introduced only for this particular online teaching platform itself. So every field is now improving on a large scale. So in that change and transition, programming is playing a major role. We may say that யாரை கேட்டா சொல்லுங்க ப்ரோக்ராமிங் கத்துக்கிட்டு நான் என்னடா பண்ண போறேன், நான் ஒரு ட்ரிபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், எனக்கு அதுல என்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்ற ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வரும். It's not your fault. It's actually a trend that has been set in the past 5 years. Even my friends would like to say, "Nee kathit enada panna poren," they will question me. Okay, so it's not your fault. A collective mentality has been formed among the students. So and the collective mentality தான் வந்து ஒரு சிலரை வந்து மேல வளர்த்த விடும், ஒரு சிலரை வந்து கீழே பிடிச்சி இழுக்கவும் செய்யும். So it is our duty to find out how we can escape from that herd. Okay, So proceeding with the presentation, I always used to convey this particular message to my friends and the juniors who I work with, who is an ideal engineer. So when we ask someone, what are you doing? No one will say it as an engineer. They will simply say it as a mechanical engineer or CSC engineer, whatever your field it may be. But actually, we are not supposed to say it in that manner. An engineer is a single word. He is supposed to know all the basics of engineering, whether it can be in electrical or the computer science. If you are an engineer, you must be aware of all the particular things that I listed down here. I'll be explaining this. Just because you are in a mechanical engineer, எனக்கு மிஷினிங் தெரியும், ட்ரில் பண்ணுவேன், லேத் ஐ கேன் ரன் அ லேத் மிஷின், அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றது, இட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு a diploma student. Those particular things are carried out by diploma students only. But being an engineer, you should be knowing of more than that. So அந்த மாதிரி டேலண்ட்ஸ்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we have to find out and we have to enhance ourselves in those particular fields. So one particular thing is the computer science fundamentals. So basic programming also is necessary. You may know we'll discuss why programming is necessary. Okay, so basic computer science is a basic talent for every engineer, irrespective of the field, whether you are civil engineer or biotech. I hope biotech students are also here, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whether you are civil or biotech or electrical, irrespective to placement, or even if you are going to do your own startup, computer science is fundamental. So I have seen many engineers, even engineers, who struggle to install a software by downloading from the internet. ஒரு இன்டர்நெட்ல இருந்து ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்களோட ஓன் மிஷின்ல வந்து இன்ஸ்டால் பண்றதுக்கு கஷ்டப்படுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. An engineer should be aware. You can struggle, but the struggle kind of solution is available in the internet. And the internet solution kuda you can't find out. I have seen many MBA graduates also struggling in those particular fields. Okay, a simple software installation task. So according to me, an ideal engineer or a perfect engineer
Hello, Gangadharan.
Network, signal.
Okay. Gangadharan message பண்ணி பாருங்க சார். I think some network issues is having. Okay, just wait for a few minutes, students.
Okay. Students, a small activity. Take a paper and write down the names of companies that comes into your mind when you think about placement. Please write down in paper the names of companies that comes into your mind when you talk about placement. Before Gangadharan joins, let us utilize the time. Am I audible to you? Bhavani, na பேசுறது கேக்குதா?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Actually, he's relogging now.
Okay, let him join.
Okay.
Companies names எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு 5 to 10 companies names. I used to know how many of you are having idea about the companies. Target company என்னன்னு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிருக்கீங்களான்னு பார்க்கலாம். You can even put it in the chat box. I used to see here. பார்க்கலாம் எத்தனை பேர் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்களா சார்?
Yes, ma'am. He's joining. He joined. Actually, sir is asking everyone is attending. In mechanical, all students are present, ma'am.
Okay.
Please convey to all the department staff coordinators whether their students are attending 100% or not, ma'am.
Sir, meet attendance போட்டு எடுத்துருங்க சார்.
இல்ல மேம், மீட் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் இதுல ஒர்க் ஆகல மேம். நான் ஆல்ரெடி செக் பண்ணேன் இதுல.
அப்படியா?
ஆமாங்க.
நான் இப்ப ஐம் போஸ்டிங் ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபார்ம். யாரெல்லாம் போடுறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்குலாம் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே. Around 50.
Can I continue, sir?
Yes, Gangadharan, go ahead.
Yes, Gangadharan, you can continue.
Sorry, I had an issue with my network here. So proceeding with this, who is an ideal engineer? So நீங்க என்ன டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டோ அதை மட்டும் கத்துக்கினாக்க you're not an engineer, you're a diploma student. Okay, you should be aware of all the basic engineering, either it is electrical or electronics. Okay, so first is the computer science fundamentals. Next is then data modeling. So data modeling is nothing but the data science and so இப்போ you have a problem, whether it is a machine or a software. To analyze the problem in that, you need to have some data about that particular problem. So on the data collect panni, you have to find out what is the problem, and based on the data itself, you can give a solution. Okay, so that is data modeling. Currently, this data modeling is கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டைலாக வந்து டேட்டா சயின்ஸ் அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ டேட்டா சயின்ஸ் தான் வந்து இப்போதைக்கு இருக்கிற கரண்ட் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் ஃபீல்ட் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இந்த various engineering departments. Okay, so next is the probability and statistics. Okay, it all comes under the data science. and the system design. Okay, so system design is nothing but இப்போ you have your mobile, right? இப்போ அந்த மொபைல் வந்து இந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் தான் வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணி மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு you can't name one single department or a course on that. Okay, so அதுல வந்து எல்லா particular of engineers வந்து involve ஆகும். So if you design a product, it involves mechanical design, software design, electrical design, and also the quality. Every type of engineering fields will be applicable in that. Okay, so ஒரு கம்பெனில வந்து if you are going to work in a corporate or a high level company, if it is a production line based companies, உங்க ஒரு ஃபீல்டை மட்டும் கத்துட்டு உள்ள போது இட்ஸ் a waste of time and waste of dignity also. உள்ள போயிட்டு அவங்க ஏதாவது அதர் ஃபீல்ட்ல இருந்து இது இப்படிதானே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டுட்டு உங்களுக்கு தெரியலனாக்கா இட்ஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் டிகிரேடேஷன் ஆஃப் யுவர் கரியர். ஓகே, ஸோ உள்ள போகும்போதே பேஸ்ட் ஆன் யர் கம்பெனி ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் யூ நீட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சர்டன் திங்ஸ். ஸோ அதுல வந்து சிஸ்டம் டிசைன்னாக்கா எல்லாம் பேசிக் லெவல் தான். யூ டோன்ட் நீட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆல் த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் திங்ஸ், பட் பேசிக்லி இஃப் யூ ஓப்பன் அ மொபைல் ஃபோன் யூ ஹேவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை வாட் ஆர் த பார்ட்ஸ் இன் தேர், அட்லீஸ்ட் how they are manufactured, so that sort of things. And next one is a basic electrical and electronics. வீட்டில் ஒரு டியூப்லைட் ரிப்பேர் ஆயிடுச்சுனாக்கா வெளியே போயிட்டு எலக்ட்ரிஷியன் வர வைக்கிறதுக்கு then what is the point of learning a 4-year career as an engineer? Okay, so that basic electrical systems also it is a necessary quality as an engineer. And next one is a quality and productivity. Companies expect a productive way of manufacturing. Okay, 1 week செய்யற ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் 2 பேர் இருக்கிறாங்கனாக்கா one can do it in a week of time, another one can do it in a 4 days time. The companies will prefer only the 4-day preference. Okay, because everything is some money. உங்களுக்கு payment, if you are joining a company also, the payment is based on hours you worked rather than how many projects you have given. Okay, so the amount of time you have put into your career is what is going to decide your productivity in industry. Okay, so these are the fundamental things irrespective of a department you should have. Okay, so if you want to be a perfect engineer, make note of these things and try to improve your qualities in these particulars. Okay, so moving on to next one. Will programming help me? The question நிறைய பேருக்கு வரும், ப்ரோக்ராமிங் கத்துக்கிட்டு நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன். இப்போ கூட even while I am explaining all these things, you will be asking yourself what I am going to do with this. Okay, so I have put up an example here. This is a chess board. Almost everyone will know how to play a chess or the basic rules on how to play a chess. But are you going to apply the tactics in your own life? கேட்டாக்கா some tactics you will do. For example, இப்போ யாரோ ஒருத்தர் அடிக்க வராங்கனாக்கா எதிர்க்க நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? if you are a horse, நீங்க எல் ஷேப்ல போயிட்டு தான் அடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு டிசைட் பண்ணுவீங்களா? No, you will do the problem solving capability other than how you are actual. இப்போ அந்த மூவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க செஸ் போர்ட்ல, பட் அதனால உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் திங்கிங் வந்து ஃபியூச்சர்ல உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். the same with every sports. நீங்க ஸ்போர்ட்ஸை கத்துக்கிட்டு நீங்க என்ன பண்றதுன்னு கேட்டாங்க ஒரு சிலர் வந்து நான் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்து என்னோட கரியர் பண்ண போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் ரெண்டாவது வந்து என்னோட ஹெல்த்துக்கு நல்லது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பண்றவங்க தான் வந்து அதிகம். கெரியருக்கு பண்றதை விட ஹெல்த் அண்ட் என்னோட மைண்ட் திங்க் இது எனக்கு மைண்ட் ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பண்றவங்க தான் வந்து அதிகம். ஸோ ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்து டைரக்டா அவங்கள வந்து அவங்க கெரியர்ல யூஸ் பண்ணலன்னா கூட அவங்களோட சைட் லைஃப்க்கு வந்து அது வந்து ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி தான் லைக் வாஸ் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஆல்சோ பிளேஸ் a major role in your way of thinking and problem solving capacity also. So programming is a fundamental nowadays. Okay, so this I have put through the engineering breakthroughs because ஒரு 100 yearsல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா engineering trend எப்படி இருந்தது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு you have to understand. So the first engineering breakthrough is in the recent history is the industrial revolution. So from that only the engineering field gradually increased in the development. So the first one is the industrial revolution. The foundation, the mechanical fields were made through only during this industrial revolution. It started in 1880 to 1930 up to the World War II level. So all the type of engines, the machining properties, the machining techniques, and the plastic, petrol, everything came into existence in this particular period only. So during those period, if you are a mechanical engineer, you may have a very good recognition in the society. So that's how industrial revolution. It was up to the level of World War II only. After World War II, the semiconductor industry began to boom. All the electronics, the computers boards, all the transistors, they came into existence during the semiconductor industry only. The Apple, Microsoft also came into the existence during the semiconductor industry only. So during those time only, the electronics engineers, they paved the way, they laid the foundation for what we are doing now. Okay, so based on those semiconductor industry, the microprocessors, microcontrollers, everything. So in this particular period, if you are an electronics engineer, you would have a better recognition. So gradually the mechanical field began to degrade. Okay, so that's how the trend changed. And after the introduction of computers, the information technology period started. Mainly it's the programming languages and the internet. So these two shaped the society, the programming languages and internet. So in this particular time, the computer science engineers were in the booming period. Okay, so this is how throughout in this particular last century, every field played a major role. Okay, so meanwhile, the number of engineers needed in each trend decreased. For example, in the industrial revolution, there were more number of mechanical engineers, irrespective of the field, whether it is engine development or a machining development. The more number of mechanical engineers were there, and the need for during the World War I and World War II, there were need for heavy vehicles and aeroplanes and all. So during that particular period only, the mechanical engineers were boomed, and all the what we study in the mechanical engineering subjects were laid off in this particular period only. And after that, the number of the need for mechanical engineers decreased slowly, and the same is had happened to the semiconductor industry also. Almost everything have been identified in the semiconductor industry. Basically, semiconductor is basically electronics engineering only. Okay, so information technology also has drastically changed in this last 30 to 40 years. Okay, so that we'll discuss in the next slide. So these are the breakthroughs, and currently we have crossed the information technology, and now we are in the field of artificial intelligence and IoT. These two are the current trends in the current engineering world. Okay, so this particular 2021 is expecting these following 6 engineering capabilities. One is the drug development and testing. So biotech students are here. You may ask yourself how it can help you in the future, how programming is going to help you in the future. Okay, so if you take yourself back some 7 months earlier, during the pandemic, before doing any testing on the vaccine, the engineers made a model on the COVID mRNA. You know what are the terms and all. So they made a computer model of mRNA, and they used artificial intelligence to devise a vaccine based on their own. They made the AI to develop its own vaccine to destroy that particular mRNA. Okay, so this particular field is called bioinformatics. I think you will learn more about that. So bioinformatics and drug delivery, these two things have played a major programming is playing a major role in this two particular field. Okay, so even though you are being a biotechnician, programming is going to help you a lot in the future. Okay, so the times are changing. We have to change along with it. Okay, so the first thing is the drug development and testing. And since after this pandemic, people are focusing more on what are the diseases and how we can solve those things. Okay, so AI and the programming skills will effectively give you a bright future in the field of biotechnology. Okay, so the next one is contactless delivery and shipping. Okay, you might have heard drones and UAV delivering foods, and the Amazon is trying to implement in every country that contactless, without any person, the automated vehicles will have to deliver the packages and the couriers and all. So this particular field also is in booming right now. And next one is this one, as I said before, online education and e-learning. Okay, so the current methods are not sufficient. Okay, it is enough, but it's not sufficient. It can even develop more. Okay, so companies and corporates are putting more money on developing in this particular sector, because we may not know how long the pandemic is going to last. And even though if it is it's going to end tomorrow also, this particular requirement has been laid out in the current education system. Okay, so this sector is also currently in increase. And the next one is AI, robotics, IoT, and industrial automation. Okay, mechanical engineers have heard about industrial 4.0. All these things comes under the industrial 4.0 only. So a big change is going on in the mechanical field. Okay, so we'll discuss this more in the further size. So artificial intelligence, this after the information technology, that is the third transition. The fourth transition is based on this particular sector only. Okay, automation, artificial intelligence, data science, IoT. This AI and robotics came into existence along with information technology. But this particular sector is currently booming only for the past 10 and 15 years. So the time period is only very, very less with respect to the previous sector, okay, the previous transition. We may not know what comes next after this, okay, but it will be based on these sectors only, okay. So these things are currently shaping the society and very much needed, very much required technology and career development also. So the next one is virtual reality and augmented reality. So this also comes under the education platforms and also as a way to advertise things and promote products and all. Okay, this is also is a requirement right now. And autonomous driving innovation. This is particularly based on the fact that is global warming existing and no one is taking a good care of it. Okay, so after the introduction of Tesla Motors you might have heard that. So Tesla Motors is very much changed the way of driving and way of production. Okay, so they have pioneered the way in which e-vehicles can be produced and delivered in a very much lower cost than what the current automobile industry are doing. Okay, so e-vehicles are in a boom. Okay, so electrical engineers, if you're seeing this, e-vehicles are the next transition in our automobile industry. Okay, and autonomous driving. This is also brought up by the Tesla Inc. only. So autonomous driving, automatically the car is going to drive yourself. Okay, you don't need any attention from the driver. So these two things are changing in the automobile industry. Okay, so if you broadly look upon the society and apply these 6 things, the next thing you can design on what kind of career you're going to choose. Okay, so this is the technology trends in 2021. Okay, you may ask this question: how it will help the core industries? If you have a talent in programming languages, you got into a core industry, whether it is based on electrical or the mechanical or even a biotechnology, even civil also involving programming nowadays. Okay, how it will shape your career, how it will be useful for the industry also. The first one, as I said before, the bioinformatics, it is in a big requirement, and there is a company called Zifo. They used to come to a college and recruit people. That particular company is pioneering this field only, bioinformatics. So they collect a large number of data, biological data, whether it is human related or agriculture related. They are collect a bunch of data and use computers and programming languages to give out results and for the improvement of what currently we are doing in the industries. Okay, either it can be drug delivery or drugs or vaccines or even agriculture also. So bioinformatics is a very good field if you want to improve yourself in the field of programming also. And the next one is efficiency, productivity, and quality. Believe me or not, there were in the particular field la mattum eppome vandu keela irangi varamaatanga. எனக்கு 1 hourல சேவ் வேண்டிய ப்ராடக்ட் 10 minutesல இப்போ பண்றேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா எனக்கு 1 minuteல பண்றது கூட இஸ் தேர் எனி வே அந்த மாதிரி கூட companies will think like that. Okay, so in order to bring out these 3 things, data science is playing a major role in that. I have a friend who is a part of this Consulio Tech. His name is Ranjit. He recently got into IIT, not as a student. He got himself as an intern in the field of mechanical engineering only. They are currently, the IIT mechanical department is currently working in a project in order to reduce the emissions from industry. You might have seen all the boilers, the furnaces, they used to have a long chimneys and all. Okay, so how much emission is collected in that chimney, how much is released in the atmosphere. So those particular studies are being carried out in IIT right now. My friend is a mechatronics engineer. Okay, so he got into an intern and they had a requirement like to fit some sensors inside the chimneys, collect the data and process those data. Being a mechanical engineer, they have modeled all the requirements and they identify what are and all they are required. That is needed. That's enough. We can contact other people to do their job. Okay, so they got him. He laid out the programming and all and is currently working in that. So chimney la enna mari emissions, what type of gases, what type of dust or chemicals that are emitted into the atmosphere, adu eppadi kuaraikalam, what are the ways it can be reduced. Those studies are being carried out in IIT right now. So my friend is a part of the team and there they are using only the data science only. They are or a number of sensors on the chimney la vandu arrange பண்ணிடுவாங்க. They will collect data level by level. Or height la vandu level by level எத்தனை number of emissions வந்து collect ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு they will collect the data. They will process with the help of data science. Okay, so data science எல்லா ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து work ஆகும், whether irrespective of whatever the field. Even civil engineering also, data science is a current booming in that one. Okay, so learning an additional talent is not a bad thing. Okay, So if you want to career in data science, this is the right time and this is the right moment, if you ask me. Okay. So the next one is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, you might have heard say many everywhere. Currently, the industries are going a change in this particular field because almost every technology is available right now. But implementing this technology in a large-scale industry is a tough job. Okay, it is not like or computer mati or computer vechaka podum அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இல்ல. A large full-scale development has to be made in industry with the current technologies. If we make that, production cost will be much lower. The time of production will be low. Everything will be reduced in that, and even remote. இப்போ நான் இங்க இருந்து ஜெர்மனில இருக்கிற ஒரு plant வந்து I can easily handle. So those type of things are being implemented in the concept called Industry 4.0. Currently, the corporates are putting much amount of crores and crores of money in this particular field and to achieve this because competition is very much high in the field of manufacturing and all. So Industry 4.0 is a good thing to learn if you are a mechanical engineer. And the second one is eco-friendly technologies. So if you take yourself 2 months earlier, the Apple company has released the iPhone 12, right? So they released, they didn't give the charging brick on the kudukave illama because they அவங்க ரீசனை கொடுத்தாங்க. though it is being அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ப்ராடக்டோட ரேட்டை வந்து குறைச்சாலும் அந்த சார்ஜிங் பிரேக் வந்து ஒரு எசென்ஷியல் ப்ராடக்ட். பட் அவங்க குறைச்சிட்டு they give out a reason why they remove the charging is eco-friendly. ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ நான் பிரிக்ஸ் சார்ஜிங் அடாப்டர்ஸ் கொடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சாக்கா அதனால எனக்கு தேவைப்படுற பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ் வந்து எனக்கு குறையும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ரீசன் கொடுத்து, and every company is currently undergoing this change. Okay, even Google is trying to achieve zero emission. So they will lay out a policy that by this year, this particular company will involve in zero emission characteristics. That is, pollution affect பண்ணாத அளவுக்கு எங்களோட ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஒரு பாலிசி வந்து they will lay it out. So Amazon, Apple, all big tech companies are currently going in this way. Okay, so to achieve this particular policy or particular target, this data science and programming skills are necessary. Okay, without data you can't achieve anything. So to collect data and to process those, you need to learn programming languages. Okay, so these are the things that will help core industries. And there are furthermore things which can improve the core industries. Due to time constraint, I have only added these 4 things. So moving on to next. Okay, somehow you got your encouragement to learn programming. But என்ன ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து நீங்க வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமிங் கத்துக்க போறீங்க, or what type of field that is going to change the trend now? இப்போ சேஞ்ச் ஆகிற ட்ரெண்டுக்கு நீங்க என்ன கத்துக்க போறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணீங்கன்னாக்கா, so these are the basic things. So first one, irrespective of the field you are going into, these 3 things will be the basic. Mathematics, maths illama you can't do a programming. Romba complex maths illa, simple statistics and probability and some logical terms. Okay, so maths is a necessary to do any type of work from nowadays. Product design eduthukitalum seri, or either it can be data science also. Basic mathematics is necessary for a programmer. Okay, the next one is aptitude. You may have undergone the aptitude training and all. So aptitude is fundamental. It will improve your programming, not programming, the problem solving skills. Okay, as I said before, the programming or what you are going to the effort you are going to put into this programming things, either it will help you directly in your career or indirectly it will help you your thinking. Okay, so practicing aptitude will improve your problem solving knowledge also. And the next one is the logical questioning. You need to question everything when you are doing a problem or when you are working in a project. You need to question everything. Why it is happening like this? What will happen when I do it like this? So on the change of questions, which you have to identify the solutions. So that logical questioning is necessary. So in the moon field, whether it is a field or whatever it may be, in the moon may one it's a basic necessary. Okay, so after the basic, if you want to classify broadly, the first thing is IoT. Okay, so everyone is currently buying the Google Alexa and the Google Siri and all those cloud platforms are in the boom right now. Not in India, but in other developed countries, there is a high demand for these particular things. Okay, so if you want to excel in this particular Internet of Things field, you need an experience on the devices. So there are a lot of devices available for this particular thing a lot. As I said before, the Google Alexa thing and the Siri, there's a lot of devices that is released every year, and every year they are improving. with one device you can control an whole house. Okay, so you need some experience on that. And after that, sensors play a major role in collection of data and processing all the data. Okay, and the cloud computing platform. So I missed this one. Cloud computing is also a foundation course right now. Like data science and IoT, cloud computing also is a big technology. Okay, instead of all the processes, if you are working in IoT, cloud computing is the basic one. All the processes, if you ask Alexa something, the device won't be doing anything, but the cloud computing is a vast concept. If you want to learn it, you can search around afterwards. So the Alexa will contact the cloud computer and it will give out results. The device is only a peripheral. It will connect you to the large number of server. The Alexa model will only connect you to the large number of server. That particular server or a computer will do the task and give out the results to Alexa, and Alexa will convey the details to you. Okay, so that comes under cloud computing. And the next one is data science. So as I said before, irrespective of the department, data science is necessary nowadays. Okay, so if you want to do learn on data science, it's a simple concept only. You need to learn how the data can be collected and disseminated, all the processes and all. So you need to learn Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay, if you know how to use it, it's a good thing right now itself. And the next one is the Python is the basic for data science currently. Python is not your ordinary Python, like neenga pandra mari a plus b or formula put or number of days in a year. And the mari Python kadiyadu. It involves a big number of things to learn, like library files. Nariya libraries irukku. So as I said before, idellame vandu statistics based pannina result that data science is nothing but statistics that is done by a computer. Okay, so Python la vandu nariya libraries and APIs are available. Okay, so and the libraries la vandu already available irukku, and the libraries how we are going to use that one and the local programming therindave data science can be easily accomplished. And the next one is R. R is a particular programming language. Python can be used anywhere nowadays, whether it is IoT, robotic design, or even a software or website. Python can be applied anywhere. This particular R language focuses only on statistical problems. So a number of data irundaka adula enna type of results enakku venum and enna type of solution enakku venum appdi solli we can do it with the help of R. So next one is SQL. SQL is nothing but the database management software. Okay, so database management also, if you number of data collect pannringa, you need somewhere to store it, and storing is not a single task. You need to collect the data, identify the data, you have to classify them, and then only you are going to save those particular data and all. So SQL is another type of it's not a programming language, it's a skill. Okay, so these four things are necessary in data science. And next one is product design. This is particularly for the electrical and manufacturing students. So product design, if you want to become a startup, your career as a startup, or you want to become an entrepreneur and you have an idea of a product that can change and that has a demand in the society, these things are necessary. One is a CAD. You need some basic CAD knowledge. That is, you ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்குனாக்கா அது எப்படி இருக்கணும், நீங்க கையில வரைஞ்சி கொண்டு போறதை விட ஒரு 3D மாடல் டிசைன் பண்ணி கொண்டு போறது இஸ் பெட்டர். ஓகே, ஸோ 3D அந்த டிசைன்ல பண்ணும் போதே வந்து யூ வில் கெட் மோர் ஐடியாஸ். இந்த ஸ்பேஸ்ல இது வைக்கலாமே, இந்த பர்டிகுலர் மெக்கானிசம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் வேற மெக்கானிசம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் சொல்லிட்டு only when you sit and work on that you will get all the ideas. Okay, so CAD is one particular basic for product development and all. And the next one is basic electrical and electronics. So இது எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருந்தாவே ப்ராடக்ட் டிசைன் இஸ் ஈஸி டாஸ்க். ஒரு ஐடியா இருந்தாக்கா ஐடியா கொண்டு போயிட்டு நீங்க வெளியாள் கிட்ட கொடுத்து நீங்க பர்சன்டேஜ் பேசுறதுக்கு பதிலா நீங்களே வந்து யூ கேன் டூ வாட் ஆர் த நீடட் நெசசரி இன் தட் பர்டிகுலர் ப்ராடக்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபார் தட் CAD and electrical and electronics is necessary. Okay, so these are the requirements if you want to focus more on that. So almost everywhere programming will involve. Okay, so next one, how to start. Okay, so since you are in the second year period, this is the right time. For example, even me and some of my friends, we started focusing on a careers only during the second year only, because first year varaikkum you don't know what engineering is, என்னென்ன ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, என்ன நடக்குது சொசைட்டில, அந்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் வந்து நமக்கு தெரியாது. பட் ஆஃப்டர் செகண்ட் இயர் ஒன்லி யூ வில் கெட் இன் டு த ஃபீல்ட். கோர் பேப்பர்ஸ்லாம் வந்து இனிமேல் தான் வந்து நீங்க படிக்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த பர்டிகுலர் டைம்ல தான் வந்து நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல்டில் போக போறீங்க. இப்போ மெக்கானிக்கல்னே எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் மெக்கானிக்கல்ல ஒரு ஃபீல்டு இல்லை, ஏகப்பட்ட ஃபீல்டு இருக்கு. ப்ராடக்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, ப்ராசஸ் பிளானிங் இருக்கு, குவாலிட்டி, ஸோ நிறைய இருக்கு. சேம் வித் அதர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஐடென்டிஃபை ஒன் ஃபீல்ட் இன் விச் யூ ஆர் ஸ்ட்ராங் and put more time on that particular field, you can definitely get a job and excel in that particular field. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is identify the field. In the field only you are going to work. So if you want to take a reference, you can refer my slides also. எந்த மாதிரி ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இப்போ கரண்ட்ல இருக்கு, அதுல உங்களோட கேப்பபிலிட்டி அதில் அப்ளை பண்ண முடியுமா. நாட் எல்லாராலையும் எல்லா ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து ஷைன் ஆக முடியாது. ஓகே, ஸோ உங்களுக்கு வந்து உங்க ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து ஷைன் ஆனாக்கா you have to identify those things. Okay, so the first thing is you have to identify the field. Second one is frame the requirements. So அந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஃபீல்ட்ல வாட் ஆர் ஆல் த ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்ஸ் இஸ் நீடட். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ டேட்டா சயின்ஸ்ல போறேன்னாக்கா அந்த டேட்டா சயின்ஸை நான் வந்து எதில் அப்ளை பண்ண போறேன். ஓகே, ஒரு கார் இன்ஜின்ல இருக்கிற எமிஷன்ஸ் வந்து நான் ஸ்டடி பண்ண போறேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா அதுக்கு எனக்கு என்னென்னலாம் தேவை, ஸோ எங்கெங்க வந்து என்னென்ன மாதிரி சென்சார்ஸ் வந்து எனக்கு தேவைப்படும், என்னென்ன மாதிரி டேட்டாஸ் எனக்கு வந்து கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும், அந்த இப்போ எமிஷன்னாக்கா அந்த எமிஷன்ல என்னென்ன கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது எல்லாமே வந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு ஸ்டடி ஆன் தட். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்ஸ். And after the requirements, identifying the requirements, you have to go through the basics. Okay, so basics ஓரளவுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க ரொம்ப டீப்பா எல்லாத்தையும் கத்துக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஓகே, ஸோ கொஞ்சம் பேசிக் கத்துக்கினாவே போதும். வெதர் இட் இஸ் CAD also, a small basic amount of learning is enough in that. Okay, so after you cover the basics, straight away you go to a project, whether you know it or not. அது ப்ராஜெக்ட் சக்சஸ் ஆகுமோ ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகுமோ, டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் இட். ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் எப்படியாவது வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். I always advise my juniors this one thing, whether you know it or not, whether it's going to work or not, start a project. செகண்ட் இயர்ல ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுல என்னென்னலாம் உன்னால கத்துக்க முடியுமோ கத்துக்கோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I always advise my juniors also. Okay, so start a project on the field which you are going to choose. Okay, அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல வந்து என்னென்னலாம் உங்களால கத்துக்க முடியும். if you are lucky, if you are capable, ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுங்க, அதுக்கு என்னென்ன ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இப்போ தேவைப்படுதா, சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஸ்மார்ட் இந்தியா ஹேக்கத்தான் சொல்லிட்டு எவ்ரி இயர் நம்ம காலேஜ்ல வந்து வருது. ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம காலேஜஸ் இந்தியா ஃபுல்லா வந்து ஒவ்வொரு கார்பரேட் கம்பெனிஸோ they are laying out what are the requirements in the society, what are the requirements in the industries. Hundreds of problems are every year being put out by corporate companies. Okay, if you want to take reference, you can get a reference from those website also. So the Smart India Hackathon, that also will help you in the future career also. Okay, so identify those problems, think about what you can do in that particular thing. Okay, so find a solution, work on it. But as I said before, failure is a success, so put some effort on it. The only thing matters here is the learning. Okay, நீங்க என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயம் மட்டும்தான் இதுல வந்து மேட்டரே தவிர the failure is not going to affect you in any way. Okay, so start a project and find out the solution. If it is a failure, move on to next thing. Next என்ன பண்ணலாம், இப்போ நான் இதெல்லாம் கத்து வச்சிருக்கேன், இதை வச்சுட்டு நான் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு you can either go through a career or go through your next project. Okay, so this is your basic this is your it's like an adventure. This is your map for your adventure. Okay, so what are all the ultimate tools? Okay, எல்லார் கையிலே இப்போ ஒரு ஃபோன், அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு லேப்டாப் ஆச்சு இருக்கும். ஓகே, you no need to go to a library on that. Everything is in your hand. Use your time effectively. Okay, so இருக்கிற டைம் வந்து ஷார்ட் பீரியட் ஆஃப் டைம். இப்போ இஃப் யூ ஆஸ்க் மீ, ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஹவு லாங் காலேஜ் எப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணணும் தெரியல, எப்போ எனக்கு காலேஜ் முடிஞ்சதும் தெரியல. காலேஜ் முடிஞ்சு 1 year ஆகுது. இஃப் மார்ச் வந்துச்சுனாக்கா காலேஜ் முடிச்சு 1 year ஆகுது. ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஹவு லாங் இட் டுக். ஓகே, ஸோ டைம் போனதே எனக்கு தெரியல. ஓகே, ஸோ யூஸ் யர் டைம் எஃபெக்டிவ்லி. இருக்கிற கையில் இருக்கிற ரிசோர்ஸஸை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் ஸோ யோர் அல்டிமேட் டூல் இஸ், ஒன் இஸ் டிவைசஸ் இன் யோர் ஹேண்ட், த செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் யர் சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, த சர்க்கிள் யூ ஹேவ் மஸ்ட் புஷ் யூ அப், நாட் புல் யூ டவுன். ஓகே, உங்க கூட இருக்கிறவங்க உங்களை வந்து வளர்த்து விடணுமே தவிர கீழே இழுக்கக்கூடாது. அவங்க உங்க கூட நீங்க இழுத்துன்னு போகலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. பட் அவங்க உங்களுக்கு கீழே இழுக்கிறனாக்கா இட்ஸ் நாட் அ குட் திங். ஓகே, ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் அல்டிமேட் டூல்ஸ், யோர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் யோர் ரிசோர்சஸ். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு விஷயம் தெரியலனாக்கா, சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து இன்ஸ்டால் பண்றீங்க. அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் அந்த இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணும்போது என்ன எரர் வருது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எடுத்த உடனே தெரிஞ்சவங்ககிட்ட யாரா கேட்கலான்ற அந்த மென்டாலிட்டியை விட்டுட்டு அதுல வந்து என்ன எரர் வருது அது நெட்ல போட்டு பார்த்து அதுக்கு என்னென்ன சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. தட் இஸ் அ ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் கேப்பபிலிட்டி. எடுத்த உடனே ஃப்ரெண்டு ஃபோன் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து எப்படிடா பண்றது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஃபோன் பண்ணி கேட்கறத விட நீங்களே வந்து ட்ரை பண்றது இட்ஸ் குட் திங் ஆக்சுவலி. ஓகே, அப்படி பண்றது உங்களோட ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ். அதான் ஆஸ் ஐ செட் பிஃபோர், ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் திங்கிங்கை வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ் தான் பண்ணும். The next one is your friends. நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ண போறீங்கன்னாக்கா தனியா ஒர்க் பண்றதா தான் பண்ணுங்க. இட்ஸ் நாட் அ பேட் திங். ஓகே, ஒரு சிலருக்கு வந்து எனக்கு தனியா ஒர்க் பண்ணாதான் பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்வாங்க. பட் when you go to the industry you can't expect that thing. நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் அப் ஒரு என்டர்பிரினரோ போனாக்கா you can work it as a single person. But industry is not a recommended thing. Okay, so plan your circle and plan according to what you're going to do. Spend your time effectively. And the next thing is, okay, that's the end of all the things that I want to convey today. Okay, so இனிமே வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஏன்டா படிக்க போறோம் அப்படின்ற கொஸ்டினை தயவு செஞ்சு விட்டுருங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ரோக்ராமிங் இதுக்கு மேல வந்து இட்ஸ் பேசிக் நெசசரி ஃபார் எவ்ரி இன்ஜினியர்னு இல்லை, every working people nowadays. Okay, so that's it about today, and these are my contact details if you want everything, if you want to need anything or any query or guidance on that. And if I don't know also, I have a number of people in my circle. Okay, they will convey you those things. And if you have any doubt, you can ask now.
Students, the forum is open for you. You can interact, you can post your queries. Unmute and you can ask the questions. He is your brother. He'll help you in all ways for learning. You just unmute and speak to him. Various portals through which you can learn various ways, or how to do a project, how to look for the project, how to seek for help in the internet, how to build a profile. Whatever doubt you can have, you can unmute and speak. Guys?
I think I know some of you people. Names la pathaka, I have interacted with you in some way.
Prem Kumar, எதுவும் doubt இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு?
Don't feel shy. This, ma'am, அவங்க unmute பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார், பண்ணிக்கலாம் கங்காதரன்.
கங்காதரன் பண்ணலாம், அன்மியூட் பண்ணலாம்.
பிரேம் எதுவும் டவுட் இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு? Gangadharan, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as a student, we are studying. We have to prepare for IIT. We have to do all these things. Apart from this, how come you are expecting us to learn these things?
கண்டிப்பா எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும் தான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, அப்படி பார்த்தாக்கா there are many people like இப்போ நம்ம பேட்ச்லயே வந்து எத்தனையோ பேர் வந்து பெரிய பெரிய கம்பெனிஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அண்ட் தனியாக ஸ்டார்ட் அப்ஸ் கூட வச்சிருக்காங்க. அவங்களாம் வந்து இந்த ஐஐடி வந்து ஒரு ஆப்ஷக்கலா பார்க்கலையே. ஓகே, யூ ஹேவ் டு பிளான் யுவர் டைம். ஓகே, காலையில நீங்க பஸ்ல இப்போ நீங்க கரண்ட்ல வந்து யூ ஆர் நாட் கமிங் டு காலேஜ். ஓகே, ஸோ லாட் ஆஃப் டைம் இஸ் பீங் சேவ்ட். நீங்க ஒரு 8 hours இருக்குமா மேம் உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸஸ்? ஓகே, ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டைம் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்பெண்ட் ஒரு 6 hours, ஒரு 8 hours தூங்கினா கூட பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு நேரம் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருக்கு?
5 hours தான் கிளாஸ், இப்போ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் அது வரைக்கும் 5 hours.
யா, ஸோ 8 hours ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் இருந்தா கூட 8 hours ஸ்லீப்னு கூட வச்சுக்கோங்க. 8 hours இஸ் நாட் ரொம்ப அதிகமான ஸ்லீப் தான் சொல்லுவேன் என்ன கேட்டாக்கா. ஓகே, பேலன்ஸ் 8 hours இருக்கு. அதில் 2 hours வந்து உங்க கூட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண கூட பேலன்ஸ் 6 hours இருக்குல்ல. யூ கேன் லேர்ன் லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் இன் தட் 6 hours. ஓகே, நான் பெருமையா சொல்லல. நான் காலேஜ் படிக்கும் போது ஆஃப்டர் செகண்ட் டே ஐ யூஸ் டு கோ டு பார்ட் டைம் ஜாப்ஸ். மார்னிங் 5 o'clock ஏஞ்சி ரெடி ஆனேனாக்கா நான் வீட்டுக்கு போய் ஈவினிங் 11 o'clock ஆகும் ஆஃப்டர் கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் ஆல் த ஜாப்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த இன்பிட்வீன் கேப்ஸை கற்றுக்கினது தான் வந்து இத்தனை நாள் வந்து எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ டைம் இல்லைன்றது இஸ் நாட் அன் எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் அக்கார்டிங் டு மீ. யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் யுவர் டைம் சம்ஹவ்.
Gangadharan, one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
Placement is going to happen only in 7th semester. Why do you want me to learn now itself?
ஒரு நைட்ல கத்துக்கிற விஷயம் கிடையாது இல்ல இது. It's not the thing that we can learn.
That is what I want our students to understand.
Okay.
Okay, aptitude la evlo topics irukku, reasoning la evlo topics irukku, skill building adha coding naka how much time it will take. Idla nothing to we feel fear about it. Okay, if you put your efforts consistently, definitely you can also learn. நம்ம லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல போய் நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஆக வேண்டாம்.
Yeah, and other than that, career விட வேற என்ன பெரிய வேலை இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. Okay, you have to find your time எப்படியாவது. Okay, இப்போ இருக்கிற கரண்ட் ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து getting a job is a tough thing. Okay, so நீங்க பாஸ் அவுட்னாக்க இன்னும் 3 years இருக்கு, 2023. Yeah, so 23ல வந்து நீங்க think about yourself, என்ன மாதிரி situations இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு. If by God's grace economy நல்லா வளர்ந்துடுச்சு, நல்ல ஒரு டெவலப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு சொசைட்டிலனாக்கா nothing need to worry. பட் இதே ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான் ஃபாலோ ஆகும் அப்படின்னாக்கா you have to think about your career more than what you are doing every day. Okay, So if you want,
you can unmute and speak, ma. Whatever question you may like to ask any of your senior or any of your brothers to know about how to prepare yourself to meet the challenges or to meet the demands of the industry, how to prepare like that, you can ask.
even if you have any doubt on how any projects, I have a number of people in my contact. They will certainly help you. Okay. So
You can
as I
post
said,
the questions in chat box also. If you find difficulty in talking, post it in chat box also.
and also maintain a contact with both your seniors and juniors. You may not know when they will be helpful for you. Okay. A couple of days back, one of my junior from CSC asked for help, and with my friend in IIT, I have asked for an internship. Okay. I hope he gets that. So always maintain a good friendship with your seniors and juniors. Okay. So உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது எப்போ அவங்க எப்படி ஹெல்ப் பண்ண போறாங்கன்ட்டு. ஓகே, ஹெல்ப்புக்காக மட்டும் வச்சுக்காதீங்க. ஆல்வேஸ் ஹேவ் அ கான்வர்சேஷன் வித் தம். அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க, அவங்க கெரியர்ல என்னென்ன நடக்குது, அண்ட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி பீப்புள் இருக்காங்கனாக்கா இட்ஸ் மச் மோர் பெட்டர். இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஆட்களை விட யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் சீனியர்ஸ் மோர் தேன் பிகர் பீப்புள்.
Students, link is posted, feedback link is posted in the chat box. Please fill the feedback form to get your attendance for the session. And your valuable feedback will be helpful for us to further fine-tune the process. Suppose if you have any difficulty or if you need any assistance in learning coding or in learning aptitude, please let us know. We can make, this can be represented to the management and further action will be taken.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. Bhavani.
Ma'am, we have many different languages. We have given SkillTrack portal also. I have seen 4 different languages. As a person from other department, you have to, how many program you have to know, ma'am, programming language?
It's a good question. Consider it as a one programming language. Okay. You might have studied Python, right? So this is the same thing for mechanical students also. So we used to learn something called CAD softwares. There are a number of softwares available. Everything has its own way of processing. Programming language, the only thing that is going to change from one language to another language is the syntax only. Or a syntax you won't need much time. But one programming stronger and you know how to solve that particular problem. Okay. Sum of a number or a program in the program Python because you have experience on Python. Java some syntax only will change. Okay. So all programming languages use okay. And the SkillTrack enna programming languages irukku?
Nama Gangadharan, actually for mechanical, EEE, civil and biotech, we are focusing on C. But that supports C, C++, Java, Python. Most of the MNCs are looking for knowledge in C. That is why we are focusing on C right now.
C is a very much capable programming language. Okay, it's actually a foundation for programming. Okay, so even C is helpful in IoT projects also. Embedded C is upgraded. Okay, so the logic is going to be same only. One programming language is stronger than other programming languages. Industry we don't know which. I Infosys join last month information Python is going to be the training language. So Python the training but in the month the information Java training. So you can't expect in which field you are going to work in an industry. Okay, so ready you need to have an understanding on how to solve it. Okay, programming designing ஒரு problem and the problem you have to identify the problem and you have to find out the ways in which you can solve that problem. Okay, solve the solution you have to identify that solution, how it can be applied to all the programming languages. Okay, that's the main thing. What programming language is not a matter, the solution is a matter here.
Actually, based on our observation, the previous placements for the previous 4-5 years, if you are good in C and Java, you have scope in most of the MNCs. Okay, that is why initially we are focusing on C. Later on, those whoever is interested in learning Java practice will happen. And suppose if you do if then else program, you can do parallelly in C, C++ as well as in Java in SkillRack. The same concept, how this can be done in C, how this can be done in C++, how this can be done in Java and Python also you can do. நம்ம வந்து C அப்புறம் என்ன நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ் வந்து C தான் கேக்குறாங்க. அதனால தான் நம்ம C ஃபர்ஸ்ட் முடிச்சிரலாம் அப்படினு சொல்றேன். Yes கங்காதரன் ஓகே.
So as madam said, C is a foundation for programming. Okay, C if you excel, other languages will be easy for you because Python க்கும் C க்கும் வந்து ஒரு difference கேட்டிங்கனாக்கா what you do in 2 lines in Python, it will take 10 lines in C language. Okay, so C language is actually a buffed up programming language. Okay, adula konja syntax la வந்து complex ஆகும். Java is much more complex than C. Okay, so அந்த ரெண்டுத்துலயே வந்து if you can solve a problem, other programming languages will be easy. There are actually 45 programming languages. So in the programming language edukku pananum solli there are certain ways in which can be carried out, but any problem can be solved in any programming language. Okay, so எல்லாத்துலயும் excel ஆகணும்ன்றது ஒரு requirement கிடையாது. Programming ஒரு task கொடுத்தாக்கா I can identify the logic and the requirement இருந்தா போதும். என்ன கேட்டாங்க நான் அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவேன். So next further வந்து ஏன்னா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில என்டர் ஆகும்போதே வந்து they won't expect you to be a full stack developer. Okay, a basic foundation is necessary for everyone. So that's what I'm saying from the starting. கொஞ்சம் ப்ரோக்ராமிங்னா என்ன, அதுல என்னென்னலாம் பண்ணலாம், அந்த ஒரு நாலேஜ் இருந்தாவே போதும். You can further solve the problems on that. Anyone else?
You can ask the questions, ma, with respect to SkillRack also, with respect to aptitude preparation. Aptitude topics la evlo topics irukku, evlo questions irukku. For different companies, what kind of questions are asked? Gangadharan is the right person. Okay, he has been working with lots of dumps for all these MNCs. Anytime, whenever we put a request to him, he will edit the question set to conduct the mock test for the students. For Infosys, for TCS, for Wipro, Accenture, for CodeCubes, எல்லாத்துக்குமே he has dumps. ஏதாவது டாபிக்கே பேசணும், இல்லை எந்த டாபிக்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும், how to learn aptitude, it can very well post your queries. பேசுங்க, வாய் திறந்து பேசினாலும் you'll be able to get help from others. Seeking help is actually the first right attitude. Okay, நம்ம first we have to analyze ourselves, where we stand right now, where we want to go, where we want to reach, and according to that, how are you going to progress? How are you going to make yourself ready for that? Okay, that is up to you. நம்ம கேட்டாதான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். இல்ல எனக்கு இது தெரியலன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம உட்கார்ந்ததுல nobody will know about that, you are not aware of it. நாங்க எல்லாம் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம் SkillRackல இதுக்குள்ள doing good. Next SkillRackல இங்க டவுட் இருக்கு, இங்க பண்ண முடியல, இங்க I am finding difficulty, you have to represent. Then only that will be addressed.
Okay, so as ma'am said,
ஒரு நிமிஷம் கங்காதரன் வந்து ஆக்சுவலா கிளாஸ்ல ஒரு செமஸ்டர்ல 90 days கிளாஸ் நடந்ததுன்னா அந்த பையன் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ஒரு 9 days கிளாஸ்ல இருந்துக்க மாட்டார். He'll be there with projects, he'll be there with the TPL, Technical Premier League, or he'll be there with the project-based learning projects, he'll be hosting some event, otherwise he'll be hosting aptitude tests. And his team, completely dedicated team of mechanical students, one team from EC and CSE also. Suppose if the test is scheduled, biotech, yeah, definitely biotech also. If the test is scheduled at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, all the students will be there in the respective labs by 1:30. And they will ensure that all the systems are on and logged on. Students, at a time 300 students will be appearing for the test. No faculty will be there, only this team will conduct the test. Gopinath sir mattumதான் இருப்பாங்க. Complete our students today, every issue, the login issue, all the other network issues, these people will address. Okay, that we have witnessed. Complete that leadership, complete team building skills, team coordinating skills. We have witnessed all these things. அதனால இதெல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து we expect all of you to learn these skills. This is actually life skill, job skills. Not only the coding or acquiring CGPA, that alone will not be sufficient. Okay, these skills only will take you to higher levels. நீ முதல்ல டவுட் கேளுங்க, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, யாரும் தப்பா நினைக்க மாட்டாங்க. தப்பா நினைச்சா கூட பிரச்சனை இல்லை. எனக்கு இது தெரியலன்னு நம்ம சொல்றதுனால எனக்கு எந்த தப்பும் கிடையாது. எனக்கு இது தெரியல, எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க. எனக்கு எந்த சைட்டை ரெஃபர் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியல, எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க. எந்த சைட்டை நான் லேர்ன் பண்ணலாம் சொல்லுங்க, அப்படி கேளுங்க. எதுவுமே நமக்கு டவுட் இல்லையா? சுகன் ஒரு டவுட் போட்டிருக்காங்க கங்காதரன் chat boxல.
Yes, ma'am. So easy ways to do coding and ways to learn for the aptitude question. Okay. So coding, first of all, identify which programming language you want to learn. So since you have already learned Python, there are a number of projects available in Python itself. Okay. Try to do all the projects in your free time. Okay. First, try to do it on your own. If you can't do it, no issues. Refer the solutions in the website. So YouTube is a very much good platform on that. Okay. And other than YouTube, there's another thing called it's another app. Don't remember the name. If possible, I will let you the details of that. So there's this particular app which will give you training itself. There is a number of MCQ and also the syntax training also. So that particular app will let you train all those programming languages. So Bhavani asked how to train on all the languages at a time, right? That particular app will help you in that. And for aptitude questions, so it's a very important thing actually. Whether you are going to pursue in engineering field or government exams or MBA exam, aptitude is the first foundation. Okay, so aptitude தெரிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் you can move on to the next rounds. Okay, since you just now started your career in the second year, this is the right time to practice aptitude. Okay? So last company வரும்போது நான் aptitude படிச்சுக்கிறேன்னு நினைச்சிட்டாக்கா you will definitely fail, except for the toppers who are already having some high IQ. Okay, since if you are a mid-level people, an average student, this is the right time for you to start practicing on aptitude. Okay, so aptitude, there's three things actually. One is the quantitative. So these things will be explained by the maths teachers. Are they undergoing any training right now, ma'am?
Yet to start.
Okay, so when you start, there's a number of terms like
But actually topics are given, topics have been already shared with them. The basic topics which already they are aware of, they are familiar with, on those topics tests are scheduled now.
Yeah, so there are three things actually. One is the quantitative aptitude. So all the maths will involve on that. The next one is the logical reasoning. In logical reasoning, they will give you a set of problems and they will ask you to find out the solution. And the third one is a verbal ability. Exactly. So the communication skill will be we need to develop communication skill. Somehow you have to develop that particular thing. Okay. So all these three things will be a major role in aptitude training and all. So aptitude training தெரிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் you can get into any company. Okay. Nowadays the trend is they don't come to college, or if they even come to the college also, they won't make you in person in the beginning itself. They will give you a set of tasks, that is aptitude questions only, and after that programming question. If you can solve only, they will see your face itself. Other than that, they won't even mind you who you are, where you are from, those details on top. Okay, so aptitude is a foundation, and if you start training by the end of third year, you will be ready for your interviews and all. It can be any company or any type of career you want to choose, whether it is you're going for MBA or some people might be aiming for abroad MS studies and all. So those GRE exams and all involve aptitude test only. Yes, so this is the right time to start your to practice on aptitude and both programming also. Okay, and I have, who's this? Dinesh Kumar. I have inventory ideas. How can I come over to inventory? Okay. You want to develop a product kind of thing. Okay. For that thing, so this is a good question from Dinesh Kumar. Which field you are pursuing, Dinesh, or which department you are from?
Actually, I'm from Tribly, bro.
Okay.
I want an some inventory like electrical department type.
As I said before, currently the e-vehicles have a huge hope in that. Okay, and also not only plain electrical, other things also like product kind of things also are currently required in the society. As I said before, identify a problem. If you can't identify a problem, refer the websites and all. So one particular website is the Smart India Hackathon. There are like 1,000 all the years combined from 2018, I think. All the years combined, there will be around more than 1,000 problems listed out in that particular, based on the field. Okay, you can even identify the problems based on your field also. You can take that as a task and you can solve that also. And one particular problem can have, there isn't any limitation that one particular problem can have only one solution. There can be very number of solutions. even though it's an odd problem, you can identify a solution for that and you can improve it in varied ways. Okay, so identify a problem. Problem irundal mattumda you can give a solution. We are problem solvers. Engineers are, according to me, problem solvers. Okay, so that's
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Next one, Sugan. Any app or website for aptitude questions? Okay, you can just simply type in Google as aptitude training. Okay, that's enough. A large number of websites are available for free. You don't even have to spend a single penny on that. There's a placement season. There's a website called Placement Season, and many websites are available. Okay, if you're aiming for one particular company, you can even mention the name also. If you want to go for Zoho, you can type as Zoho interview questions or Zoho aptitude questions. The resource will provide you with all the previous year questions or what the company's preference, those details and all. So that's one way of collecting the resources for aptitude. Okay. So next, Dinesh Kumar.
Students, one second, note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Geeks for Geeks, indiabix.com, Sand Foundry, Hacker Rank. இந்த சைட்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will be able to get placement related questions. Topic wise இருக்கும்.
Ma'am, can you please?
Geeks for Geeks, GEEGWKS, Geeks for Geeks, indiabix. I share it in the group. WhatsApp group la podren.
And you people ask for the programming platform site. So SolarLearn is an Android app available in Play Store. I used to train myself using that app only. So all the programming languages are trained in that particular app for free of cost, and it will even provide you with a certificate. So with that particular app, I learned JavaScript, HTML, C, Python, and also CSS. So they will also provide you a certificate for free also. So it's a very good application actually. Okay, and you can even undergo quiz in that, and you can one versus one. You can compete with other programmers. Okay, how fast you can program well when compared to another. So that is a good app over there. And for aptitude, as ma'am said, though, I actually forgot all the names and all. Okay, there are a number of websites available for aptitude alone. Okay, so you can use those websites. And Dinesh Kumar.
Hello, yes, bro. Yes, sir.
Some recording this you can. I don't understand that one.
For any missionary things, we want to attach some coding now automatically for switching on or off.
Yeah.
For that, in electrical department, is any codings are separately for MATLAB?
Not separately. MATLAB is, to be honest, is outdated one. Okay. Currently, the Python is used in every automation kind of problems. Okay, Python, and there's this device called Raspberry Pi. I'll put out in the chat box also. So there's this device called Raspberry Pi. It's a mini computer actually. Okay, they use Python to program that Raspberry Pi, and using that Raspberry Pi only, they will do all the automation tasks. Okay, so Python, from my point of view, Python is an excellent language in all the fields. Even web developments also can be developed in that. Okay, so Raspberry Pi is a good thing on that. Home automation is in your field, electrical. Home automation is booming. Home automation is a requirement. Okay. Next one, Narasimhan. If you learn coding, only we can get jobs also. Not exactly. If you want to go into any IT related projects, coding is a necessary. But other than IT sectors, coding will. ஒரு 10 பேர் இருக்கிறாங்கனாக்கா, if you know coding, நீ கொஞ்சம் தனியா தெரிவா அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, அண்ட் கோடிங் வச்சு நான் ஜாபுக்காக மட்டும்தான் அதை கத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா, இட்ஸ் நாட் அ வே. இட் வில் ஆக்சுவலி இம்ப்ரூவ் யுவர் ஸ்கில்ஸ் ஒன்லி. ஓகே, ஸோ ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டுக்காக தான் வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமிங் வந்து நான் கற்றுக்க சொல்றேன். மெயினா ஜாப் இஸ் அ செகண்டரி திங், பட் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஸ்கில் இஸ் எசென்ஷியல் ஃப்ரம் நவடேஸ். ஓகே, இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் தேவை அப்படின்னு நினைச்சாக்கா, தட்ஸ் ஃபுலிஷ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஜாபுக்காக தான் கற்றுக்க போறேன்னு மட்டும் நினைக்காதீங்க. இட் வில் somehow help you in the future. Okay, Tamil Selvam, C and C++ are better than Java? Yes or no? Is software companies, they want C and C++ or Java? We can't exactly say which one is better. Each company has its own preference. Say for example, Google has its own search engine based on C++, and Google and YouTube are mostly same only, but YouTube used, I think, Java, I'm not sure. So each company has its own preference. We can't be sure of that. Basic C language is enough. If you want to get into an entry-level job, basic C language is enough. And if you want to do more in the side of IT sector, you have to identify a career. As I said before, whether you want to be a web developer or data science analyst or an Android developer. So a number of courses are available. If you want to be an Android developer, Android Studio is a foundation for you. It's based on Java, but Android Studio is the exact term if you want to be an Android developer. Okay, so we can't say which one is which is needed, which is not needed. Everything is needed in my point of view. But anyone, if you are strong in any one, that's enough. Okay. Any questions?
I had a doubt.
சொல்லுங்க பிரேம்.
In n number of languages, which language will be better to learn? I want to learn just only one language. Which one will be best to learn?
Okay. Which one is better to learn? Okay. If you want to develop your skills, means just I want a skill from the programming means I will say C language. Okay. Python is much more simpler than C. Since C is at much more complex than Python, it will somehow be competitive for you. Okay, so I will say C language is the best one. I like C more than Python, if you ask me. Anyone else?
Anybody else, ma? பாலச்சந்திரன் சார், ஹெச்ஓடி சார் இருக்காங்களா? சொல்லுங்க பவானி.
மேம், அபவுட் ஆப்டிடியூட் எதுல தேடினாலும் ஆப்டிடியூடுக்கு வந்து ஒரு கிளியர் கட் சிலபஸ் மாதிரி கிடைக்கவே மாட்டேங்குது மேம். Will we have any syllabus for it?
It's not like a syllabus kind of thing. இப்போ நம்ம புக்ல இருக்க சப்ஜெக்ட போட்ட சிலபஸ் தேனாக்கா அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் ஃப்ரேம் பண்ண சிலபஸ் இருக்கும். அதை வச்சு will only study that particular thing, but we can't fix பண்ண முடியாது. ஆப்டிடியூட்ல இருந்து இதுதான் வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we can't fix those things. ஆப்டிடியூட்னு சொல்லிட்டு certain number of list out things இருக்கு. If you take as quantitative aptitude, but as I said before, there's three things, right? One second, I'll give you the details. Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and the verbal aptitude. Okay, there's like 15 things in quantitative aptitudes, 15 to 25. Okay, and some companies have their own kind of preference for each. If you take Infosys, they will have a set of requirement from aptitude, and if you compare it with TCS, there will be some difference from those. Okay, so the company in which you are going into it, they will lay out a syllabus at the time of interview only. A good habit is to learn all the things in aptitude. Okay, so there's 25 things. I'm not sure. Madam will be sharing those details and all. So there's 25 topics in quantitative, and some 12 to 15 in the logical, and some 10 in verbal abilities.
Okay, நம்ம இங்க வந்து ஆக்சுவலா we'll share the book, my PDF book. கோபிநாத் சார் ஆக்சுவலா உங்களுக்கு போட்டிருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் குரூப்ல. தினேஷ் கத்தார். கோபிநாத் சார், we'll share that PDF book in groups. You can keep that as a guideline. Apart from that, according to the industry, whichever is coming up for them, they have to fine tune. We may need to add few more topics. Okay, but Dinesh Katar has extensive questions, extensive topics are there available. We'll share that e-book, okay, in groups today.
To be frank, if you are trying to entering into the field of aptitude or seri programming or seri, எந்த பாதையில போடணும்ன்றது வந்து கொஞ்சம் குழப்பமா தான் இருக்கும், கண்ணை கட்டி விட்ட மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். But it will take time to understand all the things that is happening. Okay, so எனக்கு தெரியலன்றது இட்ஸ் நாட் அ பேட் திங். இனிமே தான் நீங்க கத்துக்க போறீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆப்டிடியூட்ல நிறைய இருக்கு. மேடம் சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த கைட்லைன்ஸ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாக்க யூ கேன் எக்ஸல் இன் ஆப்டிடியூட். அண்ட் டிக்ஷனர் அதர் தேன் C and C++, which programming language is much needed? Okay, it's totally depend upon the field which you are going into. Okay, so data science related field la poringnaka Python is a good language. Okay, and web related poringnaka nariya irukku. Web ipo current la வந்து web development la nariya field irukku. I mean nariya concepts like node.js, javascript, and angular, ruby programming nariya irukku. So based upon the field only. For web development, there are a certain number of programming languages. இதே வந்து நார்மல் ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் டெவலப்மெண்ட் பார்த்தாக்கா அதுக்கு ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் லாங்குவேஜஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ இப்போதைக்கு நீங்க வந்து என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல இன்வால்வ் பண்ண போறீங்களோ அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டோட ப்ரோக்ராமிங் என்னன்னு கத்துக்கினா போதும். எல்லாத்தையும் ஃபுல் ஸ்டாக் டெவலப்பர்ன்றது ஒரு நைட்ல ஆகுற விஷயம் கிடையாது. இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் எடுக்கிறீங்களா, அதுக்கு என்ன லாங்குவேஜஸ் தேவையோ அதுல கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் போறீங்களா, அதுல என்னென்ன ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜஸ் இருக்கோ அதுக்கு போங்க. ஸோ இதுதான் பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எதுவும் படிக்க ட்ரை பண்ணாதீங்க.
Any other questions, ma?
Java language, like C++ and C language.
என்ன கௌதம், I can't understand you.
Java language also like a C++ or a C language that like.
Okay, three are different from one another. If you learn something called oops,
Concept being same.
No, syntax vary ஆகும், but exactா மூணுத்துக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் சொல்லணும்னாக்கா there's this thing called oops, object oriented programming சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ சி வந்து ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ட் பேஸ், அது கொஞ்சம் டெக்னிக்கலா போகும். மூணுத்துக்கு வந்து டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னன்னு கேட்டாக்கா அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் கத்துக்கும் போது மட்டும்தான் வந்து யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். ஸோ டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு மூணுத்துக்கும், பட் லாஜிக் வந்து சேம் தான். இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், அதான் ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து சொல்றேன், ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுத்தாக்கா அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்கான சொல்யூஷன் லாஜிக் வந்து சேமா தான் இருக்கும். எந்த ப்ராப்ளம், எந்த லாங்குவேஜா இருந்தாலும் சரி, எந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் எடுத்தாலும் சரி, லாஜிக் இஸ் கோயிங் டு ரிமைன் தி சேம் ஒன். ஓகே, அந்த எக்ஸிகியூஷன் தான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ் தேவைப்படுமே தவிர இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ் தேவைப்படாது. ஓகே, ஸோ எந்த டைப் ஆஃப் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ் வேணாலும் கத்துக்கலாம்.
இப்போ மெக்கானிக்கல் ஃபீல்ட்னா அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி எந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்?
மெக்கானிக்கலுக்குன்ட்டு ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ் கேட்டாக்கா டிபெண்ட்ஸ் அப்பான் த ப்ராஜெக்ட். இப்போ நீங்க ரொபாட்டிக்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி ஒர்க் பண்ண போறீங்கன்னாக்கா ரொபாட்டிக்ஸ்ல வந்து எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ண போறீங்க, ரெண்டு இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து ராஸ்பெரி பை வச்சு ஒர்க் பண்றது, ரெண்டாவது வந்து ஆர்டினோ வச்சு ஒர்க் பண்றது. இப்போ ராஸ்பெரி பை, இஃப் யூ கோயிங் ஃபார் ராஸ்பெரி பை, பைத்தன் இஸ் அ ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஆன் தட். இதே வந்து இஃப் யூ கோயிங் ஃபார் ஆர்டினோ, சியை விட கொஞ்சம் அட்வான்ஸா எம்பெடட் சி அப்படின்னு வரும், ஆல்மோஸ்ட் சி மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ எந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் அதுக்கு என்ன நீங்க பேஸா யூஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் வந்து லாங்குவேஜஸ் வரும்.
இப்போ மேனுஃபேக்சர் இல்ல டிசைன் அந்த ஃபீல்டுக்கு போகணும்னா
மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமிங் கேட்டாக்கா எக்ஸாக்டா இன்வால்வ் ஆகாது. பட் அந்த மேனுஃபேக்சரிங்ல உங்களோட அடிஷனல், இப்போ ட்ரில்லிங் ஆப்ரேஷனே வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இந்த ட்ரில்லிங் ஆப்ரேஷன்ல வந்து டைம் எப்படி ட்ரில்லிங்ல எக்ஸாக்டா வந்து சிஎன்சி மிஷின்லாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்கல்ல. சிஎன்சி மிஷின்ஸ்ல வந்து ஜி கோட் என்கோடுன்ற ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஒன்று வரும். பட் அது எல்லாமே வந்து எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டாக்கா ஐ திங்க் இட்ஸ் ஜாவா தான் நினைக்கிறேன், ஐம் நாட் ஷோர். ஆட்டோமேஷன் ரிலேட்டட்ல வந்து நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, மேனுஃபேக்சரிங்ல வந்து எப்படி நீங்க ஆட்டோமேட் பண்ண போறீங்க மேற்கொண்டு. ப்ரொடக்ஷன் லைன்ல வந்து பார்த்தாக்கா ஹியூமன் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு, ஹியூமன்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய பேர் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களோட சேஃப்டிக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நீங்க எப்படி வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலாம், அதுல வந்து என்னென்ன மாதிரி செக்யூர் சிஸ்டம்ஸ் கொண்டு வரலாம், எப்படிலாம் வந்து குவாலிட்டி இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலாம், அதுக்கு வந்து யூ கேன் கோ ஃபார் ஆட்டோமேஷன். அந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஆட்டோமேஷனுக்கு யூ கேன் கோ ஃபார் பைத்தன்.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
Any other questions, ma?
பயோடெக்ல இருந்து யாரும் எதுவும் கேட்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பயோடெக் அண்ட் சிவில் was expecting those people only.
Biotech students? Balamurugan mechanical, Balamurugan?
ma'am.
The department, Balamurugan. Biotech students get a doubt இல்லீங்களா? Biotech students also, if you are good in coding, that
biotech ma'am.
Balamurugan, I am expecting a question from you. ஏதாவது question கேளுங்க தயவு செஞ்சு. Balamurugan, do you have any question? Okay, ma.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, HOD is in meeting, ma'am.
அப்படியா?
Yes, ma'am.
இங்க department meeting,
Yes, ma'am. With chairman, I think so.
Okay. Fine.
Today 11 o'clock, chairman meeting is there, ma'am.
Okay.
So he is busy in that, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, I request you to propose vote of thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Very good morning, students. I am Balachandra, Assistant Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department, and I would like to thank Mr. Gangadharan J, who is our proud alumnus as well as my mentee for the past 3 years from 2017 to 2020. Starting from the beginning, what I insisted to Gangadharan is I treat all the 17 students as common. So he will ask to me, sir, I want to do this. I want to go outside of the college to participate in all competitions like paper presentation or project presentation, whatever it may be. So initially he did that in second year itself, and third year he is doing project and he applied patent also by doing one of the project landmark detection robot. So he's like all-rounder, as already Chitra ma'am mentioned. From final year onwards, he is involved in the placement activities with our Gopinath sir. He is a self-learner. He will do and he will analyze himself what to do next, and he will finish the task at the exact time. So like that, I am expecting you all, not only from mechanical students, those who attended all the 70 students from biotech or triple or civil department. So basically we are learners only. As Gangadharan rightly mentioned, first try to troubleshoot that problem instead of asking to someone how to do this. Whatever he will do means normally, even I will also some doubts to him. He will send one YouTube video, sir, please watch this. So by nowadays, everyone is having a smartphone. So everyone is having that internet 4G SIM card. Okay. So rather than spending time in watching movies or playing games, please Google for some good information by searching in YouTube or in Google. There are n number of videos, technical videos, or the program, whatever you want to do. Okay. So initially, before 10 years, we didn't have that features in 2005 or 2010. We just have a normal mobile, but nowadays we have mini computer, that is our mobile phone. Okay. So try to Google the things, whatever you want to learn. It's an easy way and it's better to improve ourselves. So once again, on behalf of management, Pratyusha Engineering College, I would like to thank our principal and chairman sir, and I would like to thank Chitra ma'am for arranging this wonderful webinar for our students in the SkillTrack portal. And I would like to thank Gopinath sir also, and I would like to thank our department and everyone who is attending this session. Hope this session will be a great eye-opening for all of you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, students. Thank you all. Thanks a lot, Gangadharan, for spending your time. Thank you all.
Thank you, Gangadharan. Thank you.
Post your feedback to get attendance. Else you'll be getting marked absent. To get attendance, please post your feedback. Thank you, Gangadharan. Thanks for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
Thank you, Balachandra sir. Thank you, Gopinath.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Students, you can join now to your regular SkillTrack session. Thank you. You can leave now.